Okay, Rami, I'm going to send you the exam corrected. Let me see. Let's see exercise 1. Number 1, it is art, biology, drama, geography and history. It is all right. In exercise 2, number 1 is remember, yes. Number 2, guess. 3, wonder, suppose and concentrate. It is perfect. Number 3, exercise 3. Let me see, for a week, 10 years, a long time, since 2001, and May. Perfect. Number 3 is all right. Let's see number 4. My mom has made a, I don't understand, for my birthday, cake. No, that is not correct. Acá tienen que usar el for o el since como expresiones de tiempo, ¿sí? ¿Verdad? Como en el ejercicio 3, ese tipo de expresiones. El for tendrías que haber dicho durante o desde tal momento, ¿ok? Y el hecho de que haya hecho una torta, eso sería pasado simple, si la hizo para tu cumpleaños, ¿sí? My mom made a cake for my birthday, porque la hizo en un momento determinado del pasado y fue para tu cumpleaños, ¿ok? It is a finished action. So number 1, it is not correct. Number 2, I haven't, I cannot understand. Since last summer. Pero no entiendo lo que dicen. Travel. I haven't traveled since last summer. Okay, it is correct. Number 3, haven't been or seen my friend Joaquin for a long time. It is right. I haven't eaten meat since yesterday. Very good. I haven't gone to Mendoza since 2011. Okay, it is right. Okay, so you have just the first one incorrect. Yo en la última igualmente de Rami pondría I haven't been to Mendoza. Pero bueno, it is right. Let's see exercise 5. He has, let me see. He has been there, yes, since last year. Okay, it is right. Number 2, we had been in this school, yes, since I can't understand your writing. We were 11, yes, since we were 11. Very good. Number 3, I have had I can eat for a long time. Okay, for a long time it is correct, but not ago. For a long time ago, no, for a long time. That's all. Okay, if you say a long time ago, it's pasado simple. So number 3, it is correct, but you have to avoid using ago. Number 4, he has been a teacher since 1999. It is correct. Number 5, Dave had been married since spring. Perfect, Rami. Let's see the other exercise, number 6. Okay, number 1, how long has he been in Manchester? Okay, if you say been, it means that, I don't know if it is correct to say been in that case. Porque ha estado quiere decir que no es lo mismo que ha vivido, pareciera que está de visita. So you should use live there. How long has he lived in Manchester? Pero bueno, it is correct. Number 2, how long have they worked in the hospital? Very good. How long have you, okay, have you got your dog? Not got, because if I have got a dog, yo tendrías que usar el verbo had. How long have you had your dog? Okay, not got there. Okay, porque el verbo era el have got. So it's not correct to say got because it is the past perfect, the past participle of get. So it is had. Okay. Number 4, how long has he taught math? It is perfect. How long have you been in a rock band? Okay, it is right. You can use been or sang. Both are correct. Excellent. Okay, let's see exercise 7. I have done, I have started, have you tried, haven't been, and 4. Perfect. Number 7 is perfect. Number 8, let me see. Number 1 is, it is not the. No. Most children in the UK go on a summer activity camp, una actividad de verano, pero no estamos hablando de una en particular, ¿ok? Y aparte es la primera vez que la nombramos y es singular, so you have to use not the. Number 2, let me see, zero article, it is right. Number 3, an activity. Number 4, the. Number 5, So you have the first one wrong, the other ones are correct. Let me see, exercise 9. Number 1, and they, it is correct. Number 2 is correct. Number 3, it is correct. Number 4, perfect. And number 5, you have the first one correct, and the second one it is not correct, because you are talking about a special shop, that is the one that is on the high street, not any shop, okay? That one in particular. So you have to use the in the second space, okay? So you have just one incorrect. Okay, and in the last exercise, let me see, number 1 is since, number 2, then number 3 is zero article, number 4 guess, and number 5 can. So it is perfect, Rami. Now I'm going to send you the mark.